दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो, जग ज्योति में समा गया है। दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो, जग ज्योति में समा गया है।
On 15th September 1991, dearly beloved and saintly Bishop Clemens Totungal CMI rested in the Lord. The news of his death sent ripples of deep sorrow and sense of great loss to everybody who heard. He was a loving father, a loving friend to all. He still remains a source of inspiration and an idol for our life. Born in 1909 at Kandashankadavu to the loving parents Matthew and Mariam, he joined the CMI congregation in 1922. He made his first profession on 14 September 1930 and was ordained priest on 14 September 1933. After ordination, he was appointed as the secretary of the then Prior General Father Bartholomew CMI. After that, he was appointed as professor of canon law and spiritual theology in the seminary at Chetipura. He also served the congregation as the prior of Sacred Heart Monastery, Devara, and prior of St. Anthony's Monastery, Alua. He was elected the first provincial of Devamata Province, Thrissur. Thrice he was elected to the same post. As provincial, he was instrumental in building the shrine at Arikode and bringing the relic of St. Thomas there. He was appointed the first exarch of Sagar, which later was raised to a diocese, and Monsignor Clemens was appointed its first bishop. His motto, to serve, was characteristic of his whole life. As a pioneer, his vision and missionary approaches and achievements were of significant importance. As bishop in a mission area, he was aware of the importance of public relations and interreligious dialogue. He was unanimously elected the president of the Rotary International 3 times consecutively. He could bring the members of this elite group to work for the poor. During his term of office, they conducted 200 eye camps and treated many children freely. Shortly after his episcopal ordination, Bishop Clemens had a serious fall, and he had broken his hip, and as a result of which he had suffered considerably for many years. When he was suffering intensely due to the fall and operations, he imagined himself as a ball in the hands of Jesus and wrote the following poem. The days were sunny, bright and gay, and Jesus loved his ball to play. He kicked it round the flowery fields of Carmel's heights on grassy weeds. He threw it up Vindhya mountain wild, and yet rolled down sweetly to his side. During 20 years of untiring labor for Sagar, number of mission stations went up from 3 to 32, and the number of missionaries working from 30 to 300. Bishop Joseph Pastor Neelangavil, CMI, succeeded him. After his retirement, as a true religious, he came back to his religious community and spent the rest of his life at Carmel Ashram, Sagar. He spent his time writing articles and poems, preaching retreats, and guiding souls. His zeal to do maximum good in a short span of life was manifested in one of his poems. The life is short, no time to rest. Let's miss no chance, but do our best. Within the span of life, let's dare to serve all man and them to care. He made 3 rules to make his retired life happy, and he was faithful to these self-made rules till the end of his life. First, learn to be ignored by others. Second, never interfere in any matter unless requested for. And third, never give your opinions unless asked for it. Truly, he spent his retired life happy. On Sunday, 15 September 1991, at 4:30 p.m., in the presence of his dearly loved priest, brothers and sisters, he breathed his last. His body was kept in Carmel Ashram Chapel for the public to pay homage. People from all walks of life and all religions paid homage to the bishop.
अब देर ना हो प्रभुवर के दूतों संतों, स्वागत कर इस आत्मा को, अर्पित कर ले प्रभु को। देर ना हो अब देर ना हो प्रभुवर के दूतों संतों, स्वागत कर इस आत्मा को, अर्पित कर ले प्रभु को।
On 18 September, Bishop's body was carried ceremoniously in a gun carriage to Yeshu Bhavan Sagar, the mother house of the Sisters of Jesus, the congregation of sisters he had founded in the year 1980. For the founding of this congregation, he had the wholehearted support of Father Alex CMI, the provincial of Devmata province, and the priests working in the diocese. About this congregation, he said, "There are many sisters working in the field of education and hospitals. So I thought it would be better to start a new congregation solely intended to work for the poor in the villages."
हे मेरे जन विदा ले रहा हूँ, पिता के भवन मैं जा रहा हूँ, स्वर्गीय गे मैं जा रहा हूँ, स्वीकारने आज अनंत जीवन।
The body was then carried to St. Raphael's Cathedral Church and was kept there till 2 p.m. The eminent personalities of Sagar paid their last tributes to the departed soul. The galaxy of VIPs included the Commissioner, the DIG Police, the Collector, the Superintendent of Police, the Rotarians of Sagar, several military officers, priests, sisters, and the parishioners from the entire diocese of Sagar. The funeral ceremonies began at 3 p.m. His Eminence, Cardinal Anthony Padilla, was the main celebrant. From Bishop's house, the funeral procession moved to the cathedral. Bishops, priests, brothers, sisters, the family members of the bishop, and a large gathering of faithful attended the ceremony with heavy heart.
विदा ले रहा हूँ हे बलिवेदी, असीम उपहारों की प्रभु वेदी, अर्पण करने तुझ पर बलिदान, अब से यहाँ मैं नहीं आऊंगा।
मैं तुम लोगों से यह कहता हूँ, वह समय आ रहा है, may the same word be with him in victory, eternity. Amen. Verman Amadeus Josephus Milnal, Father Brahmati परिवार के सदस्यगण,
sisters, my dear people, the beginning may I express in the name of all gathered here our heartfelt condolences to Bishop Foster, the priest of this diocese, and the faithful of this diocese, the religious and faithful of this diocese, Father Anto Baroka and the provincial and the members of this province, here my province.
मध्य प्रदेश के सादा गोरे मंदिर
विदा ले रहा हूँ है ईश मंदिर, भक्ति भजनों से मुखरित प्रभु मंदिर, वरदानों का है भंडार भवन, अब से यहाँ मैं नहीं आऊंगा, अमर राज में तू मुझको ले जा, अमर जीवन की महिमा मुझे तू दिखा, अमर राज में तू मुझको ले जा, अमर जीवन की महिमा मुझे तू दिखा।
All the priests of the diocese paid their last homage to the bishop. His body was then placed in the tomb prepared in front of the tabernacle at the cathedral church. And it all looked like glorious and magnificent sunset.
लीजिए विदा है गुरुदेव, चरणों पर है सादर प्रणाम, लीजिए विदा है गुरुदेव, चरणों पर है सादर प्रणाम।
Bishop Joseph Pastor lighted Amar Jyoti at his tomb. Bishop Clements now passed into history, but he will go on inspiring us and the coming generations. Bishop Clements would sum up all his sermons and exhortations in these words: love Jesus and live for him. He said and did it.
दीपक जो जल रहा था प्रभु की पावन वेदी पर, जलते जलते मिट गया है वो, जग ज्योति में समा गया है।